Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time denote the time of an action. It answers the question when. Example, Mac went to his uncle's house yesterday. The above sentence answers the question, when did Mac go to his uncle's house? Therefore, yesterday is the adverb of time. Look at the following sentences. Venus reached late. I have already seen the Twin Towers. These two sentences also answer the question when. Here late and already are adverbs of time. Some other adverbs of time are now, ago, then, soon, today, etc.